Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to review posts you're tagged in on Facebook, so you can control what appears on your timeline before anyone else sees it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner if you're on iPhone, or the top right corner if you're on Android. Tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger icon. This is where all your main options live. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Settings and Privacy. A new list will drop down. From there, choose Settings. You'll now see a long page full of options that let you control your account, privacy, notifications, and more. To manage who can tag you and how those posts are handled, you need to go to Profile and Tagging. When you open Profile and Tagging, you'll notice a few sections that deal with how others interact with your profile. The one we're looking for is Review Posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. Tap that option. Now you'll see a simple on and off toggle switch. Slide it to the ON position to activate Tag Review. Once you turn this on, Facebook will ask for your approval every time someone tags you in a post before it goes live on your timeline. You can then decide whether you want to allow the tag or not. It's an easy way to maintain control over what gets shared with your friends, family, or audience. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Tag Review for your Facebook account. From now on, you'll receive a notification whenever someone tags you, and you can review each post before it shows up on your profile. It's a small setting, but it makes a big difference in managing your online presence and keeping your timeline exactly how you want it. Take a minute to check this setting, turn it on, and enjoy more privacy and peace of mind while using Facebook.